Hi, my name is Barb. I work out here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. We are the largest dealership from Canada to Mexico. We carry everything from used cars to $250,000 motor coaches. Today I want to talk to you about these vans. These vans have become a very important part of our segment. Someone just made me giggle. So what we're looking at here today is a 217 Coachmen Galleria. Man, they've done a really beautiful job on this. A lot of the coaches only have a couple of chairs. You're limited in guest seating, but this one has 3. So let's take a look at it. Really, folks, the important part is things like this. You're on a Mercedes drivetrain. So that really says a lot just all by itself. Mercedes is known for years and years and years of trouble-free service, lots of power, everything that you need underneath this hood. You come around, and of course you've got the passenger door, which opens up just nice. And I'll let the cameraman come around and just take a peek at that cockpit. And I call it a cockpit because it reminds me quite a bit of an airplane. You have all of this LED illumination. It's showing you everything that's happening in the vehicle. You literally have control of everything right up here. And a lot of headroom. I'm going to step in here and show you. I'm 5 feet. I'm 5 foot tall and I can stand up here very easily, very comfortably. And it still has some storage above it, which is nice. You have these really nice seating. This chair comes forward and back. It spins around so you can have a conversation. You may eat a meal here. This extra seat is nice. Now if you've got a friend that's going to be coming with you or one of your grandchildren, who knows. But it's nice to have an extra seat, and this seat is removable if you don't want it. I thought this is a good idea. When they first came out, I thought, well, doggone it, if the doors are open, how are you going to keep flies out? And you're going to do it just like this. Isn't that neat? I think that's a great concept. I kind of got it stuck here so you can pass that off. Yeah, you can tell that it hasn't been used very much because it's still nice and tight. This unit has a few miles on it because it is a pre-owned vehicle. But come on in and take a look. You've got a really nice refrigerator here, and I mean a good one. A refrigerator that's large enough to put all of the food that you would ever need for even a short distance or long distance trip. It's a Norcold. I like Norcold. They've been building this component for years and years and years. One of the oldest builders for this for the refrigeration systems. And of course you've got a microwave, and this is a convection, so you can cook it in there, cook just about anything you want. I mentioned that this had a high ceiling. Now you've got some storage up here for a few things that you're going to get at intermittently. And then you come on in. It is so nice. It's very nice. You've got all this counter space. Nice Corian countertop. And this is your sink. And I think that was very interesting. Most of the things that you see in these vans are based on a nautical application. So it's much like having a nice cabin cruiser. This is a power deck for you, and as well, it's a charging station for your phones or computers. You've got these nice shades that come down that block everything. The windows are really tinted dark, so it's almost impossible to see in here from the outside. An induction stovetop, and of course, where's everything gonna go? Isn't that nice? So these are solid. They're just silky soft to the touch. And then you close the door, just like that. Just really very thoughtful. And here you've got a separation, so you can put a few different things in there. And they took some time. And you notice they're dovetailed, it's solid wood. That's the quality that Coachmen brings to the table. Even this is going to go close very nicely. No registers on the floor. All of this heat is dispersed throughout the coach on registers that are not on the floor. So you don't have rocks and sand and other things getting in the way and wondering how in the world am I going to get that cleaned out. All of these cabinets along the top. So there are cabinet storage in this unit all the way down the line. And it isn't cheesy either. When you open it up, see how that is done here. We're going to get one and we get a good look at it, sorry. So here's your control panels. And then I want you to take a look at this. This has got a full wooden back to it. It's completely sealed. Did you know that Coachmen offers roadside assistance? I think that's pretty neat. You don't have to go to AAA. You can call the company that built the unit. That's your control panel in there. Then, of course, we're going to come back here. Storage, storage, storage. And that's important in these vans because they can be compact. They are compact. You can sit comfortably in this chair. And I mean, this is nice. It's got seat belts, so if you're bringing your children or friends, there's a place for them to sit. The windows are open, so you can get some cross ventilation in here. Now, what's going to happen to make a bed back here is you're going to use a remote for it, and it's going to come out electronically, and then you marry these two together. So it starts out as a couch and a couple of chairs to sit and visit in, and then it becomes a beautiful king-size bed. And if you'd like to, you can leave the doors open. You have a screen here that comes down, so if you wanted to, if you're backed up to a beautiful lake, you can just use the screen. If you want to close the doors and get the hot sun out, now you've got what we call a blackout blind. Here's neat things like this. You know, there's a place to hang your clothes. I'm having a hard time getting that open, but this flips down, so you've got a place to hang a few things. More storage here, the air conditioning. What I find in these vans, and we had a family wagon when I was growing up, the great part of owning a van is this. You have a fantastic recreational vehicle. You have a home away from home. If you want to go see your family and you want to just stay in your own bed and have your own space, you've got it. If you want to run down to the store and buy some groceries, you fit in the parking space. If you want to drive through a McDonald's, same thing. So come on out, take a look at this thing, take it for a drive. It looks really pretty when you're walking around it, but I want you to take it for a drive. My name is Barb. Please call me. I'm at 541-521-4232. I would love to tell you more about this RV. We're in a Coachmen Galleria 24T. Thank you.